Constructing an aeroplane is a miracle. Using a phone, I'm talking to you, this is a miracle. All these people, they understand this side of God. So what makes you dangerous is to understand both sides, to know that all of these things were created by God. The devil doesn't have anything. He collected God's own, or the one God gave him, and he corrupts it. He used it for evil. The same mic we're using to sing and talk in church is the same mic somebody in the worldly setting will use. Floor is yours.
Okay, so let me ask this final question.
Go ahead, please.
I have spiritual directors. I have people that I follow. I have people that I listen to. And most of the time, when you say, I don't know if it is appropriate, for someone to say I have the power or I have powers, because you can say that through the intervention of our Lord Jesus Christ, I'm walking under Him.
Okay.
But you keep saying you have the powers, and people misunderstand that. And you also said that, apart from the miracle part that we spoke, So since you can actually do certain things,
yes,
you can teleport, you can
also do it. You can also do it. Anybody can do these things. Go ahead, but I just want you to know anybody can do these things. Anybody, everybody on this live stream can do it.
Okay, yeah, that's.
None of us was born. None of us was given birth to, and we started knowing how to read and write. We were taught. We were imparted how to read and write. Many of us, we were taught now. It's the same thing. You'll be taught. You'll be imparted.
Okay, so is it possible that you prepare very well in the next election?
Yes.
Can you ask? How do I put this? Can you help?
Can I use my powers to help Nigeria? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, especially during elections. Can you help for? I'm trying to use the right word.
So
yes,
go ahead.
People that want to rig the election.
Yes.
Can you help for a transparency?
Okay, now
on your election day, to help avoid rigging. For example, when the results are out, people who will go to alter the results.
Yeah.
Is there a way you can do that?
Yeah. The answer to that is yes. The basic answer to that question is yes. But you see,
you can, but you don't want to.
It's not about me wanting to. Do you understand? The power is mine. It has been given to me. I can do whatever I want to do with it. That's why we have wrong people, like people using power for the wrong things. It's already with them. When God gives you something, He doesn't collect it. God is big. Okay, so I can choose to do whatever I want to do with it. But what makes you relevant? What makes you stand the test of time? What makes you valuable to God? And what makes you increase in that value? It's when you follow the purpose of why that thing has been given to you.
Oh, okay. So you're saying you can't misuse it. You can just use it.
Thank you. That's the right word. I cannot misuse it. I cannot just use it anyhow. When some people say, "Oh yeah, come and raise a dead body," I'm just looking at them and like.
I get your point, because, for example, in the Bible, when the devil was tempting
Jesus.
Yes.
When
he told him
to turn the stone to bread.
Yes.
And Jesus said, "Man cannot live by bread alone." The question now is that is it that Jesus cannot turn the stone to bread? He can.
Exactly.
All the temptations, Jesus can do all of them.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah, it's purpose driven. You don't just wake up and start doing things like.
Don't you think it would be nice so that Nigeria will be saved?
That is a good idea. It does not mean that it's God's idea. This is the thing that gets a lot of people in trouble. Prophets in the old self, they've gotten in trouble for these things.
No, if you do it, would they know that you can appear there?
Now, what they talk now? Who give you the power? Who send you message? Now, who send you message you go report to now? You don't understand. Now, who send you message now you go report
to?
To?
That God will be happy with you when you
it's not about being happy or not being happy. He gave me the power for a reason. So I have to follow on that reason. I must be on that pace. If immediately I deviate and not be mistake, now conscious deviation, I don't corrupt the power. Now, whatever I'm doing, no matter how good it is not unto God again. Of which on the last day I go face Sam. I can't sacrifice my life to get to this level and start using my power anyhow and be misbehaving. For what now? No, we don't do that. That's why I don't see. Let me end with this. That's why I don't care. But if anything people talk, you not talk, you are not feeding me, you will not kill me, you can't do me anything. There's nothing you cannot do anything about it. You cannot wake up tomorrow now and say you want to have my power. Tomorrow. You can't get 20 years in one day. Did you smoke Igbo? So my sister, thank you very much. I really appreciate this conversation.
Yeah, I really appreciate it. And I want to appreciate this thing you said that's good. I think you should talk about it more. You should talk about accidents more on your platform.
Yeah.
That's why I don't know. I would call him my spiritual director. That's why I love him so much. Evangelist Chukwu, kudos to him.
Yeah.
He's an advocate of that.
Yeah, I know.
Always
Right.
tell you, keep yourself, all that, which is nice. I think you should
yeah.
say that more.
Yeah, the reason I used to say it a lot before, right? But here's the reason why I stopped saying it. I didn't know about sexual purity. As we grow, we learn things, right? In those days I used to be, I'm a virgin at 35, I'm a virgin at 36. I'm a virgin. Yeah, I know. So, but here's the point. Later I discovered something called sexual purity. I think I was 36, 37. I'm like, shit, I shouldn't be saying I'm a virgin. Like, this is not making sense. I've done a lot of nasty things. So am I not a virgin now? I was just upset. But I was upset that I supposed to know these things since now, at least. So I just watered it down. I'm like, leave the virginity matter. Let's focus on other things. But at least I understand your point. I'm just saying that I felt so bad. I'm like, why did I not know about sexual purity since I supposed to know? I supposed to know some of these things. I supposed to know. So I was thinking that it's only when the penis did not enter the vagina, that's when you're a virgin. So I'm carrying shoulder up and down. Meanwhile, some of us who have done more nasty things than the people that have had sex. And there are plenty of people like me. They're everywhere. They've not had sex, but they've done more nasty things. I repeat, more nasty things than the people who have had sex. So stop intimidating people because you're a virgin. I'm even talking to myself now. Stop intimidating people.
It's not about intimidating. It's a way of spreading the word. The youths of these days, it's like a cankerworm that has eaten into them.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to hear that. Nobody wants to talk about that. But it's the truth.
So now that
talk about it.
So now that you have said it, I've now used the opportunity to tell you that is one of the purpose why you are seeing me online now. So it is what is driving the things I'm doing. So I may not come here and tell you, I came here to tell you about sexual purity, you must keep yourself as I came here to show you an example. So when you see me, when you talk with me, when you relate with me, like, man, this guy, there's something about him. So when you're now getting to know the something, then you start hearing, hey bro, you can't be smashing up and down. Listen, you're wasting your time, that's wrong. Hey sis, no, you can't do that, you can't be in that relationship. It doesn't work. No, you can't make money like that, this is illegal. So at this point now, you're like, whoa, yeah, that's the route. But if it's not concerned, you can't do this, you can't be a Yahoo boy. You leg back, boss, you can't be doing hookup. You will go to hell, Since you have a telephone, they will go to hell. They are not still doing the bad things. Stop. I did not see they are still doing it. So they have to be an example. Jesus came to us as an example. He came to show us, this is what I want to tell Namona do. I feel do one. And I go do more than the one when I do, when I don't go. But at least more than see what they possible first. So they have to be an example. The youth have to see somebody that, okay, just like what VDM is doing for us. Integrity, we can say, okay, this is an example. So they have to be an example. Everybody cannot be Davido, everybody cannot be Wizkid. There should be other examples, Christians example, young men that are doing things and they're on point, and they're not compromising. My live streaming now is not for making money. I didn't come here to make money. No, it's not. I didn't come here to make money. I came here to educate people. So anyway, thank you so much, your sis. Thank you. Please send me a DM.
Thank you so much, Mr. Raymond.
Yes, kindly send me a DM so that we can connect. I always ask people to send DM so I can connect with them.
Oh, okay, yeah. That's great. I'll do that.
Thank you so much, and do have a good night rest.
All right.
Yeah, bye.
You too.
Yeah, bye. Wow, that's a long conversation. Who is T-Baby?